Are you ready to make money online? Stay tuned because in today's video, you can earn $100 for writing short articles. You've heard that right. And we will show you how you can effortlessly set this up, so by the end of this video, you'll essentially be a pro and on the way to financial independence. We know that videos involving several websites might be complicated and confusing, but stay with us because this video is especially for beginners who have never made money online. Follow all of the instructions in this video and you will be successful in no time. Before we go further into this video, welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. We will show you how to make money quickly in a few moments by presenting the best and most effective platforms. So if you are interested, stay tuned and watch the video until the end. With this new video, keep in mind that we release new content about making money online daily. So make sure you stay tuned whenever we release new content so you can be the first to try it out. To begin this method, let us first introduce you to the websites that will turn the basic skill of writing into an excellent income opportunity. Let's now go to TextBurka.com, a writing service provider that is available to any country in the world. Once you've accessed their homepage, we want you to click on this I Write Content tab because this page includes all the things that you need to learn about the site. First, it is completely free and would not ask for any payment from you. You can also work anytime you want because they offer flexible work hours for their writers. And you can absolutely do this as a beginner. TextBurka will pay you 1 to 6 cents for every word you type. The amount of money you earn depends on your skills. Still, you don't have to worry about that because at the end of this video, we'll show you an epic method of modifying already written articles for you to use. This website lets you cash out your money weekly, with a minimum of as low as $10. This is an incredible feat alongside their numerous payout options. This includes direct bank transfer, MasterCard, PayPal, and more. Now let us say that you've already found, edited, and uploaded an article. TextBurka will give you feedback that will definitely help you improve your skills. And suppose you're really interested and wish to refine yourself in writing, you are also free to access their blog that have grammar tips, tutorials, and several videos. Due to tax regulations, the only drawback of this website is that their company only takes people who currently live in America or are American citizens. So if you are not from the said country, you might want to sit this one out. Next, we'll go to scripted.com, and just like the previous website, you will write and submit essays in exchange for cash. However, you can write about a wider variety of topics like entertainment, science, and sports, so you can write about issues that you actually prefer. Now let's click on this Become a Writer tab, where you will see all the details and reasons why you should write on the site. This is free for all and will absolutely fit even beginners. You can choose to work at your own pace anywhere and anytime. And while you work as a freelancer in the company, you'll eventually build a stronger portfolio for yourself and even a long-term partnership with clients from small companies or larger corporations. Scripted also has excellent dashboard management for all of your projects, deadlines, and payments, making freelance work much easier. They also pride themselves in offering competitive pay for writers and giving off systematic rewards. You can be a regular writer right now, but you'll reach higher tiers by being active. Levels in the Scripted Writer Rewards program include Bronze, Silver, Gold, and Platinum. You can check the differences and a lot more information while browsing Scripted's homepage. The last reminder is that as of 2021, they're only accepting applicants from the United States, Canada, and Europe. They're actively expanding to more and more countries, so watch out because your location may be available on their next update. Do you like this video? Don't be shy and hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you found this video helpful and entertaining, share your thoughts with us in the comments below. If you feel bummed because of the restrictions of the previous 2 sites, then you won't be disappointed with IWriter.com. They claim to be the fastest, easiest, and most reliable way to have articles written for people. And as a writer, they'll pay you with cash for the content you write. They have 4 tiers: Standard, Premium, Elite, and Elite Plus. Each level pays differently and you'll be placed on one based on your skills. But you can be promoted to a higher place and earn more as you submit more writing. You can make up to $80 for every 500 words. There are a lot of benefits that you can get on this website. You can choose the topics you want to focus on, write as much as you wish to, anytime and anywhere. And as soon as you get acquainted and have regular clients, you can build your own client base. You can gain all sorts of information if you just explore the homepage of their website. There are data for both clients and writers, For instance, the current number of job postings, their active writers, and a total number of articles written and submitted on this platform. They also have a list of their most prolific and highest rated writers. Now let's proceed with the sign-up process. At the top of this page, click on a tab that says Write Content. This will automatically lead you to a new page where you need to fill in all the necessary details about yourself. This may include your first and last name, email address, LinkedIn or Facebook account, and country of residence. After answering a few questions, you'll need to tick this CAPTCHA. Then finally, click on the Submit button. Your application will be processed and the result will be sent after 5 to 7 days. You'll be asked to provide proof of identification, but once you are accepted, you are already eligible to write articles for IWriter.com. We're done discussing all of the websites that will turn your writings into real money. We'll now move on to teach you how you can easily create essays without actually doing it. You will need a software that will let you paraphrase works, and in this video, we'll be using Spinbot. Spinbot.com is a free site that will automatically rephrase articles for you. This process will make a unique, plagiarism-free, and grammatically correct creation based on what you have inputted. Now that you know the premise of this platform, we can proceed to the tutorial. Using Spinbot is very easy, in addition to their website and being straightforward and highly accessible. First, you'll need to find an article online. This should fit the description that the client had given you. You can do this by visiting Google News or any online site that offers you credible and well-written works. Let us give you an example. We'll just search for Google News in our browser and hit enter. Once we've reached our desired page, you can see that the articles are categorized. There is news for entertainment, technology, science, sports, etc. For this video, we'll choose science, and after clicking on that link, you'll be presented with more varieties under the science topic. This may include discoveries, inventions, or the latest achievements in the field. The next step is to select an article that you want to use. We'll just choose this one, for example, and then copy all the text. Simply highlight the necessary information and either click copy or type in Ctrl+C. Transfer to the other tab, which is Spinbot, and then paste the content that you have copied into the text box on the left. Now all you need to do is complete the CAPTCHA puzzle and you'll have a new article you can submit on your chosen website. You may choose to refine further and edit this article before you pass it to your clients. Then you can just keep on doing this strategy with the other projects and earn lots and lots of cash. That's all for now. Feel free to watch this video again to serve as your guide as you start to earn money online. What do you think about these websites? Does it seem like an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace primary income jobs in the future? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. If you love similar concepts like this, make sure to take a look at our other videos. If you like it, please hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep yourself updated. We'll see you in the following video.